Made it to day 10 in the Flaviar Whiskey Advent Calendar series. You can take a peek at the bottle. I can't because I'm doing blind tastings here and I'm trying to figure out exactly what the whiskey is, or at least the country. It's been a rough couple of days, I think. I don't remember if I've gotten close to the last couple. I think I was kind of in the right ballpark for some of them, but yeah, today should be better. Let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin, and I'm on day 10, like I said in the intro, and I'm going to give it a pour right now because I'm really anxious to find a whiskey that I'm truly enjoying, that I really love. The last couple haven't been ones that I've really loved. In fact, I kind of didn't like them at all, which is a shame. I don't want to drink whiskeys that I don't like. I'm in Italy, been drinking a lot of really nice wine, not as many whiskeys as I'd like. So I want day 10 to be really great, something I'm really enjoying. So here's to day 10. All right. The nose has me hooked a little bit. This has some maltiness to it. I think we have something that has some merit. I'm getting a little bit of sweetness here. I'm getting some bananas, actually. A little bit of orange citrus. And no off-putting notes at all. Let's go for the taste. It's got a nice finish to it, which yesterday's did not have any finish at all. And the day before, I don't think it had much of a finish either. I finally have a whiskey that gives me a little bit of additional flavor time. When they go in your mouth and they just disappear, I think that's just a waste of whiskey. I love the notes in this. It really seems like a single malt whiskey. Color's decent. Maybe it's got a little finishing to it. Maybe it's got color added. You never know. Haven't had a lot of scotch so far. I really want to guess scotch, but you know, that's like gaming the system. You can't do that. You have no idea what order Flaviars put these things in. Still struggling to pull out some flavor notes from it. I get a nuttiness and I get a nice finish. So I'm thinking the ABV's up there a little bit. And I like the nose on it. I could be way off, but I'm going to go for a finished Highland Scotch. I don't know what it's finished in though. It doesn't seem like it's Oloroso sherry. It doesn't seem like it has those kind of notes to it. But there is some color to it and there is some like extra notes of flavor. I don't know. Maybe I'm way off. Maybe it's just a Scotch that's been treated with aging in a couple different types of casks. Could be just unique caskings, could be ex-bourbon, and could be like a European oak or something. Let me go with a Highland Scotch. Why not? Hey, it's day 10. Let's live it up with a Highland Scotch. Nah, it's a product of the USA. I'm way off. All right. Maybe this is a single malt from the US. I don't know. Let's go ahead and check the Flaviar app. It's the only one I'm going to find out because this flavor booklet only has pages for writing notes. Useless for me. I hate writing out notes by hand. So I've got 9 days down on the app. Gonna tap on day 10 right now. It's gonna make me rate it. I thought it was pretty good. Okay, I'll give it a +2. It's not one of my favorites, but let me describe it too. I don't know. The app makes you do a few more steps, and I wish they weren't required steps. I wish they were optional steps, but we'll go through it anyway. Revealing day 10, and it is a bourbon whiskey from Breckenridge. Oh, Breckenridge. They do some unique castings, I believe. So this is a 43% ABV whiskey, $42 according to the Flaviar app. Flaviar's tasting notes are honey, banana, toasted, roasted, bread, dark cherry, vanilla, spicy notes, slightly sweet. It really had a nice nose. I wasn't getting a lot of those notes on the taste. It's a high rye bourbon from the world's highest distillery. So Rocky Mountains of Colorado will give you the lighter color, but being in the US and dealing with a bourbon, you could get a little more color to it than you would in the Highlands of Scotland. So they're pulling in a lot of whiskeys into this blend. For me, it makes it a little muddled. I did like the nose. I did like the finish on it. Have you had the Breckenridge bourbon whiskey at 43% ABV? If you have, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know your thoughts about it. Me, all right. It was better than some of the whiskeys. It still wasn't what I'm looking for. I really am searching for a nice Highland Scotch in this box or bubble bag as it stands right now. So I'm hoping that tomorrow is a better day. And until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you. And cheers. It's good.